Hello everybody, my name is Arash Majd. I'm the composer of Variation on a Colored Line. During the process of research, I came across a very interesting instrument called Thunder Tube. And I used it in my score a lot. So I improvise on a regular basis. I try to come up with my own sounds and my own notation to make things clear for our performers. Let's see here. So the first thing that you might see in the score, and you will see in the score for sure, is the plus sign. So you might have a quarter note and a plus sign on top of it, which basically means the close position for the Thunder Tube. Here is the close position. You gotta make your hand in a cup-shaped position and then hold the Thunder Tube like this with one hand. That's the close position. And then if I have a circle, that means it's an open position. And I have a circle that is half a black and half white. That means this is basically, your hand is gonna be like this, just half open, half close, like this position. So close position, I wrote slash through those quarter note or half notes. It would be just rattle the instrument. Now from going from close position to open position will be so that is basically the different position that we have in this piece. Now the second sound that you would come across is the slight pinch sound, which is basically you can hold the Thunder Tube with one of your hands and then kind of pinch the spring and then so that would be slight pinch sound. So you contact the spring with your nails and you slide down. Another technique that we use in this piece called pinch sound, which is basically you grab the end of the spring and then slightly pull it and release it. So this technique sounds much louder in the large Thunder Tube. Let me show you how it works. I use also this Thunder Tube in the piece, and I call this large Thunder Tube. I have link in the performance page, and you can just click on the link and see all the dimension, and you can purchase it. So this is the spring. As you can see, it's a little bit longer compared to the small ones, and then you can just grab it from the bottom of this, from the end of the spring, and then very cool sound. Again, it's a good sforzando. I also have some parts that I ask for rattle the large Thunder Tube vertically. you know, rattle it horizontally. Very powerful. Sounds like a real thunder. Let's see here. All right, another technique that I refer to in the score is hammer and nail sound. I wrote this technique only for small thunder tube. Let's see here. So one of your hand can be like a hammer and the thunder tube can be like a nail. And instead of holding from the middle of the thunder tube, you hold it loosely from the bottom. So this hand will hit the thunder tube and it would just, force the thunder tube go in all the way until it moves here. Your hand is going to move to the edge of the thunder tube. Okay? And then every time you hit the thunder tube, make sure that you use this portion of the palm of the hand. Okay? So let's see here. There we go. Hammer and nail sound. As you can see, I hit the thunder tube. It just kind of goes down in this technique. One more time. Let me try it with the other one. Let's see here. So that was the hammer and nail sound. Let's see here. It's a very cool technique because you get multiple sounds with a very complex rhythm of the spring. I thought it's a very cool technique and I should use it to build something out of it and relate it to the other instruments. So hammer and nail sound. Let's see here. We talked about large thunder tube. We talked about the vertical and horizontal. And there's also one more thing left, which two thunder tube. I think I used it for percussion 4. Percussion is 4. In a closed position, two thunder tube, two small thunder tube. You can just, in a closed position with the cup hands, you can just hold it like this, this, and then so you get a larger volume or more volume. One more time. Alright, these are the techniques that I have used in this piece. I would suggest to build some kind of tripod in order to keep the thunder tube resonating after when we're done. If you like, that's not required, it's just recommended. Let's see here. I explained all the techniques about the thunder tube that I use, the thunder tubes that I use in this piece. I look forward to rehearsing this piece with you guys. I'm super excited, and hopefully we can start this process as soon as possible. Thank you very much and have a great day. Goodbye.